In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your tax documents from your device. If you have your W-2s, 1099s, or other tax forms saved on your computer or phone and you're ready to add them, this walkthrough is for you. We'll keep it simple and clear so you feel confident every step of the way. First, look for the Add Tax Docs option. You'll typically see this on the page where you manage your tax forms. Think of this as the starting gate. When you click Add Tax Docs, you're telling the system you're ready to bring in a new document. A quick tip before you click. Make sure the file you want is saved and easy to find on your device, perhaps on your desktop or in a dedicated tax folder, so you don't waste time searching later. Next, choose Upload from Device. You might see other choices, like connecting accounts or using a camera, but for this tutorial, stick with Upload from Device. This option opens your device's file browser, which is the familiar window where you can navigate to folders and pick the exact file you want. Now, select your file. This could be a W-2, a 1099, or another supported tax document. Most platforms accept PDFs and common image types like JPG or PNG. If you scanned your document, just double-check that it's legible. Names, numbers, and boxes should be crisp and easy to read. It's also a good idea to pick the final version of your form to avoid duplicates. For example, you might say, I uploaded my W-2 file from my computer using Add Tax Docs. And that's exactly what you're doing here, finding the correct file and confirming it's the one you want. Finally, confirm the upload. After you select the file, you'll usually see a progress indicator. Let it finish and wait for a success message or a visual cue that shows the document has been added. If you spot a thumbnail or a file name that matches what you picked, you're set. If something looks off, maybe it's the wrong form, simply back out and choose the correct file using the same steps. That's all it takes. Click Add Tax Docs, choose Upload from Device, select your file, and confirm the upload. Keep your documents organized, make sure they're clear and complete, and you'll breeze through this process every time. Thanks for watching. And feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along as you upload your own forms.